Hey guys, welcome to ALKO Tint Shop. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to do a quick video of how to do vinyl overlays on the Corvette, like the little eyelids on the headlights. So let's go check it out. Alright, so you just need knifeless tape right here. So pretty much I'm going to follow this body line and go on the body line, this little like on the headlight right here. Just to kind of like make it look like it fits. So you start off from the top, and then you just follow the body line right there. Alright, now you just get a piece of vinyl. I'm going to get a piece of vinyl and just literally just lay it right over the knifeless tape. Kind of just tack the knifeless tape down with your finger to make sure that it's actually on. And then clean the surface, but we already cleaned it. So pretty much you just kind of put your finger there and then just pull the knifeless tape to break it loose, and then there you go. It just cuts straight through the vinyl. There you go. Now we tear away the extra material, and then you got to take out the little piece of rope from the knifeless tape. That piece of tape. Take it out. And then just press it down the edge with your finger. Okay, next. So now that we got that done, you just press your finger on the kind of on the gap between the fender and the headlight, so you can actually see where the edge of the headlight is, and then just ride your blade like right here. Don't like cut the fender, but just kind of like ride the edge. Just we have a little bit of material to tuck behind the headlight edge. Just heat up the edge and just tuck it. Check that out. That looks good. There's the eyelid vinyl overlay. Kind of mimics like a Ferrari headlight. I don't know. It looks sweet. That's without it. This is with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And see you in the next one.